Hugh Jackman dons the sideburns and the steel claws in The Wolverine.
It's an honor to meet the Wolverine.
That's not who I am anymore. I have wanted to thank you for saving my life. But I didn't send for you only to thank you, Logan. I wanted to repay you. You have struggled long enough. I can end your eternity. Make you mortal.
Hello, I'm Rob, and this is R&B Reviews. I decided to do this video outside for a change because it's a pretty nice day today, and I thought, why do a review in a stuffy house today? So I decided to try this out. I got my trusty cup of coffee here to help me out through the video. And let's get started. The Wolverine is the long-awaited sequel to the 2009 film X-Men Origins Wolverine. That film kind of has a special place in my heart because it was the very first summer blockbuster that Brendan and I reviewed the first year we started this channel. And I gave that film a rented on DVD rating, although Brendan snuffed it, and looking back, it wasn't the best of the X-Men related movies. The Wolverine, on the other hand, I thought was a big improvement. It's set mostly after X-Men 3 The Last Stand. Logan, or Wolverine as he is known, is taken to Japan to meet with a dying man who Wolverine saves at the end of World War II. And he offers Wolverine a chance to shed his immortality and become mortal so that he can die a death that Wolverine has been hoping for some time. The Wolverine, I thought, was a lot better than X-Men Origins. The story, it's not really a superhero movie per se. It's more of a deep drama, and it does more about exploring the characters, including focusing on Logan's pain that he's facing about the recent events, as well as what is an honorable death and when and why do people have the right to take their own lives. It explores that as well. And the film does something different with the Wolverine character, where he has, during the course of the movie, some of his powers are taken away and he is forced to adapt to these new changes. And Wolverine, in this movie, he doesn't really fight an army of mutants. Instead, he fights humans and samurais, and as a result, I found that to be very refreshing. I liked the thought that living an eternal life was a curse and not a blessing, as people live and die in Wolverine's life. And I was really happy to follow these characters and know who they were. The action scenes themselves goes back to the old-fashioned method of just two people fighting. Well, in some scenes it's not two people, but it's mostly one-on-one combat where it's the actors or the stunt people doing the fighting, and it goes on without a whole lot of explosions and overdone CGI. And as a result, I really enjoyed the action scenes in that one because it's mostly you focus on the characters doing their bits without anything distracting going along with it. But the only major thing that I really did not like about the Wolverine is one of the villains, Viper. Her acting seemed to be more in the camp of the over-the-top comic books film style that we had many years ago in comic book superhero movies. And since then, since the Dark Knight movies, we've kind of moved on since then, you know. Most of the acting, the rest of the acting in here is a little bit more low-key and more realistic, and as a result, I felt that her performance was out of place with everyone else. And also the fight scene at the end was kind of weak if you compare it to the rest of the fights in the rest of the movie. But other than that, I enjoyed the Wolverine. I think it's much better than X-Men Origins and X-Men 3, but it's not quite as good as X-Men 2 or the recent prequel First Class. So I gave it a see it in theaters rating, and just to let you know, there is an extra scene in the middle of the credits, so stick around for that. I think if you're a fan of the X-Men movies, you will enjoy that. Alright, well that's my review of the Wolverine. If you have seen the movie, go ahead and post your comments, or if you have any feedback about the channel, post that as well. Thank you very much for watching.